I think it's almost ready for a test, except I'm noticing a small foreign object. That looks like a little toothbrush pack. Yep. That must have been quality control upstairs, making sure I'm paying attention. Hey you guys, come check out my test drive!
Okay, hold on.
Chicks love test drives. I may be making that up. Oh, if I plug this in backwards, it's going to walk at me. I better be careful. I just have to figure out how much faster I want him to go and then change a couple gears in there. Or maybe I'll just play around with it for a while first.
Rara, more robot? More robot? Where's the robot, Aurora? Do you want more robot? Yeah. Okay. More robot coming up.
I have a minor repair. A piece in the middle broke because I hadn't really attached everything completely yet. and something came loose. And anyway, it shouldn't take long to fix, but I do have to take all the legs off to get to it. Alright, it's hard to show the piece that broke because it's all inside there and I don't want to take the whole thing apart. But anyway, it's kind of like a piece like this, right? And when I printed it in layers like this. And that means it's easy to crack this way. And unfortunately, the pressure is all trying to, break it that way. So it was easy to break. So, and I made this piece before I built my ghetto heated bed on my 3D printer. So I couldn't print a piece that was this wide on there because it would end up warping and getting all messed up. But now that I have my heated bed, I think I can print the whole thing this way, and so the layers will be this way, and it'll be much stronger. So I'm going to print out a new one. And I've only printed out a couple little bits of things since I got back. But now I'm going to have to connect my plastic. I think I'll stick it on there, and that should be able to spool up into the machine. So we'll give it a try anyway. Oh, I checked it. It's going to take like 4 hours to print out a new one of these things. So this is the piece, and I took it out of there, and I figured in 4 hours I should be able to reinforce this. So the grain's all going this way, right? Which means it's easy to snap off that direction. But I thought if I cut a groove into this, filed it here, as you may be able to see there's a line, and I take a piece of steel and embed it in there, either by heating it up and melting it in or crazy gluing it in or something. Anyway, that should make it nice and strong. Steel reinforcements. It should take way less than like 4 hours. Well, that should be good. I think if I stick some plastic dust in there and some super glue, it should hold it pretty well. That's better. While I've got all this junk open, I think I may as well grease it up. I'm just greasing up the whole things because these gears aren't perfect and sometimes they rub like between where they're not really supposed to. Anyway, that should help smooth things out a whole bunch. Alright, back together. Let's test drive it again. Hey, would you do the honors? Steer it first. Ooh, smooth! Let go, let go! Nora, it's gonna run away from you. Wow, that's way smoother. What do you think, like twice as fast? Repairs again. Funny thing is, it's the two pieces that have broken are ones that I made before I made my heated bed and started making better pieces. So maybe I'll just print out a new one of these. I don't know. I might reinforce it. I'm gonna go eat some food.